Paul McCartney is one of the few musicians who has achieved such widespread acclaim and admiration. Famous for his limitless love, generosity, and musical brilliance, the founder of the Beatles is frequently considered the rock era's grandpa. One individual, though, who does not have this rosy opinion is Phil Collins. Although Collins is quite fond of McCartney's work, he had a negative impression of the iconic musician after a personal interaction. With her appearance in A Hard Day's Night, Collins fulfilled every child's desire and first encountered McCartney's universe when she was a teenager. Collins couldn't believe his good fortune when he was cast as a concert-goer in the film's climax sequence, given that the Beatles were the most famous band in the world at the time. Even if it wasn't a very important part, seeing the Fab Four play live was enough for young Collins. Collins quickly abandoned his aspirations to be an actor and took up drumming instead. Collins found himself engrossed in music, and before he knew it, he found himself back in the same room as a Beatle, this time as a session player on All Things Must Pass by George Harrison. Unfortunately, Collins's contribution to All Things Must Pass was as little as his Hard Day's Night cameo, which was easy to overlook. It was Collins's loss that ultimately led to his exclusion from the album, until he purchased a copy of All Things Must Pass and noticed that his name was missing from the credits. He felt like he was towering over everyone. Nonetheless, Collins began dating Harrison when he became fame, and Harrison learned about the event. So, the guitarist for the Beatles brought in a new band to re-record the song, this time telling the drummer to play the drums out of tune. After sending Collins a tape of the session, he finally admitted that the drumming wasn't his doing. Fortunately, he was able to find the humor in Harrison's practical prank.